In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use the teleprompter in CapCut. If you create videos, you know how easy it is to lose your place or forget a line. That's where CapCut's teleprompter comes in. It lets you keep your script on screen so you can speak smoothly while staying on message, without obvious eye movements or awkward pauses. Start by opening CapCut on your device. Give it a second to load, and make sure you're on the main workspace where you normally begin a project. The layout can look a little different depending on your device and app version, but the idea is the same. You're looking for the teleprompter option. Scan the interface for anything labeled teleprompter. It can appear on the home screen, inside the recording or camera section, or among the editing tools once you've opened a project. Sometimes it's represented by an icon that looks like text lines or a screen with lines. If you're not seeing it right away, look along the bottom toolbar, the side panel, or inside the tool drawer where CapCut groups features. Different builds may place it in slightly different spots, and availability can vary by region and version, so don't worry if yours looks a bit different. Once you spot teleprompter, click it to use. CapCut will open a panel designed to display your script on screen while you speak. In most versions, you'll notice options that influence how it behaves, like how fast the text scrolls or how large the letters appear. The goal is simple. You want the words to move at a pace that matches your natural speaking style, with text that's easy to see without leaning in. You'll also notice that the teleprompter keeps the text near the camera area, helping you maintain eye contact and look confident on screen. A few quick tips will make your delivery shine. Keep your sentences short and conversational so the scrolling feels comfortable. Place your device at eye level and position yourself so your eyes stay close to the lens. That way your reading looks natural. Take a moment to breathe between phrases and let your voice rise and fall as it would in a normal conversation. Good lighting and a quiet environment help the teleprompter do its job, because you can focus on delivery instead of fighting distractions. That's all there is to it. Open CapCut, look for the teleprompter feature, and click it to use. With this simple workflow, you'll sound polished, stay on track, and record with confidence every time.